Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hurin Ismahani and I'm from International Business Administration, class 6A. Well, in this video, I would like to continue my presentation about Jobsheet 6 about project management. In this slide, there is about a definition of project management. Project management is a series of activities which consists of planning, scheduling, and controlling the project, which consists of the several activities. Project management can be applied to any type of project and is widely used for completing large and complex projects. The main focus of project management is the achievement of the final goals of the project with the existing limitation, time, and available funds. Project management process. The first is project initiation, project planning, project execution, project controlling, and project closure. Well, this is the benefits and constraints of project management. For the benefits of project management, the first is identify the function of responsibility, minimize demand for routine reporting, identify the deadline for scheduling, identify forecasting and analysis methods, measure achievement against plans, identifying problems early and takes corrective action, improve the estimation ability for plans, and last is know if the goal can't be achieved or exceeded. For the project management barriers, the first is poor communication, unclear agreement, misunderstandings, and unsupportive atmosphere, stress, personality conflicts, and last is management is not good, poor management. For the critical factor for project success, the first is technology. Technology is the part of the project that has a big impact on the success of the project. Second, organization. Third, market forces, market forecast, company competition in the market has a strong influence on the continuity of project. Planning is important factor in the project failure and success. Teamwork and economic factors. Well, this is video about project management.
The management of ongoing tasks requires a different approach to the management of one-off tasks. Project management is about getting these temporary endeavours complete on time and on budget. The sad truth is that for one reason or another, most projects fail to meet their objectives. So here's some weapons you can add to your arsenal to make sure your project has the best chance of success. Firstly, make sure all stakeholders agree in granular detail on the final outcome of the project. By agreeing about deliverables at the outset of a project, you'll guard against the scope growing monstrously out of control. Planning is 80% of project management. Remember the 6 Ps. Proper planning prevents poor project performance. There's a lot of great tools that can help you keep track of your project. Use these during your planning. Before building your team, consider the skills and know-how you'll need to complete the project. Then compare that list with the people you have. Add and subtract people as necessary. Make sure you consider how information will flow where it is needed and that all stakeholders know what's happening. Prepare for stormy seas by considering what risks your project might be exposed to and plan how to best navigate to avoid or mitigate them. If you've planned properly, implementation of your project should be like conducting an orchestra, keeping the various players in check with clear, constant communication and leadership. After completing the project, report on what was done well and what could have been done better. This way your team will be better positioned to tackle their next project. Remember, anyone can complete a project by throwing more time and money at it. The real challenge is to achieve a quality outcome using the least time and money. To summarise, to make sure your project is completed on time, on budget, meeting its scope and in a quality manner, remember that planning is paramount. Fiercely guard against scope creep by getting solid agreement on the required deliverables. Make sure you know about and use available project management tools. Think about the skills your project needs before building your team. Think hard about what risks your project could face. Communicate like an orchestral conductor during implementation. And don't forget, review, reflect, and report on your project's successes and shortcomings so your team learns from the experience.
Okay, that's about video. So, for the summary about the video is ongoing task management requires is the different approach to task management tasks. Project management is about completing these interim efforts on time and within budget. Planning is 18% of project management. Then plan carefully what we need to prepare so that we can be on time and within budget. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.